All right, Math 8, this is the homework help video. Please make sure that you have completed the homework before you actually watch the video, okay? Because in this, you're just making corrections. It says Janelle is ordering a t-shirt for the art club. For each shirt, t-shirt company will charge $6 plus 50 cents for each color in her design. Write an equation to represent the total cost, y is the total, it's equal to, for each shirt and the number of colors. So it's 50 cents for every color. That is the slope. You see how it's 50 cents for each color? So every color is going to add 50 cents. That's your slope. That's the price going up, 50 cents. So that's going to be my slope, 50 cent x. Because remember, to write a linear equation is y equals mx plus b, where your slope or your rate of change is your m and your b is your starting amount. The starting amount is going to be the $6. You automatically are going to pay the $6. So this is your equation. All right. It says sketch a graph below to represent the actions. Kinston is leaving the school. Okay. So this is the time, and this is from the house. Is leaving school and walks towards home. So distance from home. So this is the distance from home, 0 from home. This is 0 distance. And this is 0 time as well, right? 0 for the x-axis, 0 for the y-axis. So distance from home. So he's far from home. So that's up here, okay? So in 0 minutes, he is all the way up here. He's far away from home. Okay, so he leaves the school and walks towards home. So he's walking. So walking doesn't move fast. So this should be a slow steep. Okay, it shouldn't be really steep because walking is not, towards home. Halfway home. So halfway towards the house. All right. So halfway somewhere in the middle, right here. All right, so halfway home, he stops. Okay, so he's stopping right here. So he's stopping. This is a flat plateau. He's stopping. All right, and talks to the mailman. So he stops for a little bit. Then he runs the rest of the way home. So running is going to be a steeper slope. So that looks like this. This is him running. It's going much faster than this. This is him running. All right, and so finally he's at home. He's 0 distance from his house. He's actually at home. So distance should be at 0. That's why we went this way. All right, so solve the equation. So when you solve the equation here, you're going to look for distributive property. There's no distributive property. Then move the variables to the same side. I'm going to move a positive 3a by subtracting 3a. 5a minus 3a gives me 2a. Bring down the minus 16. This is gone, and I'm left with negative 8. To get a by itself, you're going to move the negative 16 first. So you add 16 to move it, okay? Negative 16 is gone now, and you're left with 2a over here is equal to, and we got negative 8 plus 16 gives me a positive 8. Divide both sides by 2, and a is equal to 4. Okay? Let's do this one. Distributive property is first, so let's multiply the 4 times both numbers in the parentheses. So we got 1/2 x. Positive 4 times 3x is a positive 12x. Positive 4 times a positive 5 is 20. Okay, this is 97.5. So now we're going to combine like terms. So this gives me 12.5x plus 20 is equal to 97.5. We're going to subtract 20 on both sides. Okay. So this is gone. We're left with 12.5x, is equal to, when you subtract, this is 5 here, bring down the decimal, 7 here, 7 here. Okay. Divide both sides by 12.5 to get your answer. Remember, the operation between 12.5 and x is multiplication. All right, so now we're going to divide. Okay, so this is, clear, we got 77.5 divided by 12.5, and that gives us 6.2. So x here is equal to 6.2. Okay. All right, y'all. Have a good one. Make sure that you don't just copy the work. Please don't just do that, because that defeats the purpose of the homework help video. Do it first, okay, and then check your work.